YA Series Circular Vibrating Screen. YA Series Circular Vibrating Screen can be used for dry and wet classification and screening of materials in the fields of coal selecting, mineral processing, building materials, electric power and chemical industry and so on. It can be equipped with such screens as metal woven, polyurethane, steel plate with holes punched and other types. Working principles. The movement track of YA Series Circular Vibrating Screen is the vibration of the shaft eccentric circle, and the rotary motion is generated by means of driving the eccentric shaft by the motor through the triangle belts. By this way the excitation force can be generated after the rotation of the eccentric shaft and external eccentric block, so that the vibrating screen is able to generate vibration to classify and screen the materials. The circular vibrating screen with double shafts is driven by the way of double motors and synchronous belt forced synchronization to achieve synchronous effect. Structural features. The screen box of the vibrating screen adopts the frame structure of looping rivet connections, exciters for bearings with large clearance and thin oil lubrication. Thus the amplitude can be adjusted according to different working conditions, with the characteristics of advanced structure, durable, low noise, convenient maintenance and so on.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.